HDMI issues can be frustrating, but fear not, we've got you covered. In today's tech video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to fix your HDMI problems on Hisense TV. First things first, check your HDMI connections. Ensure that all cables are securely plugged into your TV and check the HDMI cables to the device that you're connecting to. Sometimes it might be a simple problem of an HDMI not being plugged in all the way. Next, navigate to your TV's settings menu. Look for Input or Source option and select the HDMI input corresponding to your device. Sometimes a button can get hit on a remote control, changing the HDMI input. This will make sure that the TV is set to the right HDMI that you're wanting to watch content from. If you're still experiencing issues, try switching the HDMI ports on your TV. Sometimes a faulty port could be the culprit. Just unplug it from the current HDMI port and try one of the other options. Hopefully this will fix your issue. Another troubleshooting step is power cycling. Simply unplug your TV and unplug the device connected via HDMI. Unplug them from the wall outlet that they're plugged into. Wait a few minutes, then power them back on. Hopefully, this will fix your HDMI issues. Lastly, ensure that your TV's firmware is up to date. Manufacturers often release updates to address compatibility issues and bugs. Go to your settings and update it to see if that resolves your HDMI problems. Sometimes this will do the trick. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve your HDMI problems on your TV. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.